So, good day, miss. My name is Angel Joso from BSB 1B, and today I will be explaining to you my knowledge about what is credit. So, what is credit? Credit is when you borrow money now and promise to pay it later, usually with extra payment called interest. So that is credit for me. And what is credit economy? A credit economy is a system where people and businesses often use borrowed money to buy things, run companies, reminding and grow investments instead of paying cash immediately. So the example of this is students use loans for school, or businesses borrow money to open shops, and our people use credit cards for daily needs. So like credit help the economy grow because people can buy and invest if they don't have full cash yet. And third is advantages and disadvantages of a credit economy. The advantages is easy access to money. You can buy important things even without cash, and it helps business grow. Companies can borrow money to expand and boost economy. More spending equals more jobs and productions and convenience. So like you don't need to carry a lot of cash. And the disadvantages of this is debt problems. People may borrow too much and interest costs. You pay more than the original price. And third is financial stress, hard to manage if income is low. And fourth is economic risks. Too much borrowing can cause financial crisis. And fourth is foundation of a credit, main base of credit. So first is trust or confidence. So lenders believe borrowers will pay. Second is capacity to pay. Borrower has income or money source. And third is capital. Borrower has assets or savings. And fourth is collateral, property or item used as security. Fifth is character, borrower's honesty and credit history. Basically, lenders check if you are responsible and able to pay. Fifth is basic characteristics of credit. First is promise to pay later. Payment is delayed. Second is interest, extra cost for borrowing money. And third is risk. Lender risks not getting paid. Fourth is trust based, depends on reputation. Fifth is legal agreement. There is usually a contract. And sixth, what is credit card? Advantages and disadvantages. So credit card is a card from a bank that lets you buy now and pay later when a certain limit. Advantages of it is convenient and fast payment, good for emergencies and builds credit history, and no need to carry cash. And disadvantages of this is easy to overspend, high interest if unpaid, and possible debt problems, late payment fees. And seven, classifications of credit. First is personal credit, loans for personal use like gadgets, educations like things that you used for yourself. And second is business credit, loans for companies and businesses operations. Third is short-term credit, paid with 1 year. And fourth is medium-term credit, paid in 1 to 5 years. And fifth is long-term credit, paid for many years, like for example house loans, like that. And sixth is secured credit, needs a collateral like car or house. Seven, unsecured credit, no collateral like credit cards, personal loans. So that is all, miss. Thank you.